Hare Krishna, this is Aishwarya presenting you recipe of Sattvic chhole that is without onion and garlic. This chhole is soulmate of bhaturas, which is one of the most likable or famous dish in North India. I have already presented recipe of bhaturas in my previous videos. You can watch it. Otherwise, you can serve this chhole with puris, parathas or even with rice. To begin with, here I am adding 3 to 4 tablespoons of mustard oil in a pressure cooker. Adding half a tablespoon of asafoetida, that is hing, and now adding red chili, dried red chili. Now adding cumin seeds, half a tablespoon, and 2 to 3 tablespoons of coriander powder. Stir them well, and now here I am adding jeera powder, that is dried cumin powder, and turmeric, half a tablespoon, and red chili as per your taste, and some garam masala. I have added half a tablespoon of garam masala. Now stirring them nicely, adding 2 to 3 tablespoons of water, and keep stirring it until it leaves some oil. Again I am adding 2 to 3 tablespoons of water. This process will cook the masalas nicely, so you can repeat this process as much as 6 times. Now I am adding MTH Kitchen King masala, around 1 tablespoon. This is not mandatory. This will just add some flavor into your masala, otherwise you can totally avoid it. Now again I am adding 2 to 3 tablespoons of water. Let it cook for some time until it leave oil, and now I am adding 1 inch of ginger without cutting it, without chopping it. Just peeled it and added it. Now I am adding half a cup of groundnut, that is moongfali, or you can call it peanut also, and adding 4 to 5 chopped tomatoes and green chilies as per your taste. Stir them nicely so that the masala get coated over the tomatoes, and now we can add salt as per our taste. Now I am just placing the lid over the pressure cooker, not closing it completely. When I opened it, the masala was done, tomatoes were cooked. Switch off the flame of the stove and let it cool for some time. Once it's cooled, you can add this masala into a mixer grinder. Please note that the masala is cooled. It should not be hot, otherwise you'll burn yourself. Now just grind it, and once you grind it, you will get this kind of gravy. Here I have taken the same pressure cooker, the same vessel in which I cooked the masala. Now I am adding 1 tablespoon of mustard oil. Once it's heated, I'll add 1 bay leaf, tej patta, now adding the same tomato paste, the same masala, and stirring it nicely. I don't want my masala to get wasted, so adding some more water into the pot of mixer grinder and adding that into the masala. Now we'll cook it for some time. Keep stirring it in between so that it does not get stick. Here I have taken 2 cups of chickpea, garbanzo, or you can call it chhole in Hindi. So I just soaked them overnight, and in morning I boiled them with some salt and turmeric. So it was already prepared. Now we have to simply add these chickpeas into the masala, and now we have to close the lid completely of this pressure cooker so that this chickpea and masala get nicely cooked. After 2 to 3 whistles, I have opened my pressure cooker and the chole is ready. You can garnish it with some coriander leaves, and you can also add lemon or juice of lemon to give it some tangy flavor, or you can also add some dry mango powder called amchur in Hindi to get a tangy flavor. So friends, your Sattvic chole without onion and garlic is ready. Since we have cooked this dish without onion and garlic and with lot of love and devotion, we can offer this dish to Lord Sri Krishna by putting a tulsi into it, and Lord will definitely accept our offerings. Once you offer any dish to Lord Sri Krishna, it becomes transcendental or spiritual food called prasadam. Serve it to your near and dear ones for immense spiritual benefits. Hare Krishna.